So use Mixins if you're using Python. Just do it. Just do it. If you don't know what a mixin is, basically what it comes down to is you've created a class and you have the ability to use that in your other classes as part of the dependency hierarchy to add those attributes, those methods, etc. In this case, I have a custom user model that is an abstract user, but it can also be banned. And in this case, I just have a simple field and that's it. But then I have all the things on how to actually ban you. I can remove the band, I can create the optional reason, I can do all that fun stuff. And it really just comes down to making sure that you have the capability to take your independent functionality and test it. With these mixins, I can then scope in the dependency methods, like the save methods that you saw, and I can add unit tests for them. I don't have to worry about the quality of them, and I can copy and paste them into new projects without having to worry about them not working because I've already validated that they work as long as they have the correct dependencies. In this case, the dependencies are, oh man, yeah, it's got to be a model. Well, guess what? It's a model mixin for the model that I'm using, so that works. Try to keep your code into one scope, one thing that it's working on. Okay, I've got a can be banned mixin. Can the user be banned? Yes, that's what it's for. I have the full extra info field mixin, which is a bit more complicated. I'm not going to show that code because I don't want to distract you. But the fact is, I can then take those things. I can say, oh look, I can ban the user and unsubscribe them because I'm getting this particular field actually supports a bunch of other stuff. I'm going to be making that cleaner. But in this case, because it's dependent on these active fields, I can go in and I can say, look, I'm going to ban you and I'm going to stop your subscription. And that's going to work. And so the end result is that you can actually have clear, concise code. That's what you want.